Welcome to Dublin. I'm your host, Khadija Amari, and I'm exploring all the hidden gems of this popular Central Ohio city, from food to entertainment and everything in between.
This month, we're going off the beaten path to discover Going, Going, Gone, an incredible sculptural addition to Darry Fields Park.
So come with me and let's explore all the things that only Dublin has to offer. Looking to add a little cultural flair to your outdoor adventures? Well, look no further than your local Dublin parks. Home to some amazing art and sculptures, Darry Field Park is sure to satisfy. Going, Going, Gone was cleverly crafted, so it's not only visually stunning, but it brings you into the art. Literally. This incredible sculpture has an even more incredible secret behind it. It's the only sculpture that hasn't been officially dedicated. Interested? Let's find out why. I'm your host, Khadija Amari, and this is Only in Dublin. I'm here with David Guillon, Executive Director of the Dublin Arts Council. Tell us what brought us to this piece specifically today.
Well, this piece is a little elusive, and people sort of walk by it and don't really pay attention to it. They sort of look at the first part of the piece of the puzzle, and then they don't go into the woods to see the rest of it. So it's really an interactive piece where you need to experience the whole thing.
Yeah. So tell us why this piece specifically hasn't been dedicated.
Yeah, it's unusual not to have a piece of public art dedicated. This was scheduled to be dedicated on September 11th. 2001.
Okay.
So of course we couldn't have the ceremony, hence no dedication.
Yeah, interesting. So what's your favorite part about this piece?
Well, I think it's going into the woods. You know, there's a door that enters the woods, and you go through and see what the artist has left behind, just from the front of the piece to the back. So
Cool. Sounds exciting.
Yeah, it is exciting.
Okay, let's go check it out. I'm here with Ava Morgan, Public Art Manager. Ava, tell us a little more about this piece and what it represents.
So the artist's name is Don Merck, and he's based out of Portland, Oregon.
Cool.
When he first visited the site, he was really struck by how flat and remote this part was, but he was also really intrigued by the woods. So he knew he wanted to incorporate both. So what he did was he created a bronze sculpture that starts with his baseball bat. It's hitting a baseball, which is actually an alarm clock in this piece. So he wanted to mark the passage of time through the imagery of baseball. So you'll see these different discs through the field that say going, and they end at a doorway that's open to the woods, and the last word is gone.
Cool.
So the title of the piece is Going, Going, Gone. He was thinking about the people that use this space. So there's a lot of young kids that come and play baseball. It's recreational. And he wanted it to be playful for those people to enjoy.
Well, thank you so much for having us. This is an amazing space, and I highly encourage everyone to come check it out. The variety and experiences that Dublin has to offer is truly amazing. There is so much to see and do here, and we're just getting started. Be sure to tune in next month to see more of what you can find only in Dublin. I'm your host, Khadija Amari. See you soon.